Hey, well, welcome back to Next Trekking Adventures. This is RV Tips and Tricks Tuesdays for 2 minutes. Well, here's the good news about fire RV safety. You don't have to worry about it. It will never happen to you.
I just packed everything up to go to Puerto Rico. I could have just grabbed my bag.
That's what we used to think too. And that's why I keep pounding home fire safety and RV safety. It's a big deal, and when you get caught in it, it happens quick. So today I want to talk a little bit about fire safety and things you can do as an RVer to remain safe. So I've put out some items here on the table, and I'm just going to take a second to explain each one to you. So the first product I'm going to talk to you about is the Jogs Wall fire extinguisher. And what this is it's an extinguisher that you do not have to do anything to make it activate. Heat makes it activate. They're designed to be put attached to the bottom of your hood, and in the event of a car fire, it would go off. I've put these throughout the RV in different locations strategically, and I'm going to show you where I put them. They're $39.99 on Amazon, and I'll put a link. So the second is a fire blanket. It has a black tab that you simply pull out, and you can smother fires with this. Fire blanket, 2 for $24.99 on Amazon, and I'll put the link. And the third item that I have here is a fire ball. And again, this is something that you do not have to interact with the fire. It can simply sit there in the RV like this, and the fire comes, the ball goes off. Ball will explode and smother a fire in a small place. We got the mosaic balls. They're a little bit more expensive, but you can get these, depending on the size of the ball, anywhere from $39 to $129 on Amazon, and I'll put the link in the description. Okay, so I've got my Jogs Wall. It's a pretty tough install. I don't know if I can do it. Oh, I'm gonna rip off the 3M sticker, and I'm just gonna put it up here. And there you go. And now we have 2 Jogs Wall fire extinguishers installed in the hood of our truck. That ought to do it. Okay, let's take you to the RV. One of the places to get really hot on an RV is the refrigerator area. And we installed our Jogs Wall inside our refrigerator area. That is one of our places. The next place we put them is in the cargo hold, pointing underneath. That's where all your gas lines are. I've got 2 in there.
Well, this was a very painful memory for us. We just had time to get out of our RV. The idea of this video is to either stop the fire before it gets too big or give you time to get out.